After we killed Sergio, it was chaos for weeks. Our guys against their guys, and Morello gone to ground. But a boss can't stay hidden forever. For a Don to be feared, he's gotta be seen. Finally, word came through that he was gonna break cover.
Morello wants to thumb his nose at us. Taking a show like there's not a war on, we'll meet him in the streets.
We do him like this. We wait outside the theater till the end of the show. All those rich assholes will start coming out. That's when we hit Morello and his guerrillas. In a crowd. Before they see us coming.
The theater's going to be packed. And not just with saps. There's a good chance the mayor, maybe even the chief, might be there too.
That's the goddamn point, Tom. We kill Morello in public. In front of the city's creme de la creme. Then they'll all know who's in charge. And it doesn't matter if you have a badge or a gavel or a fat wad of cash in your pocket. If you cross Salieri and his boys, you're dead.
Okay, boss. We'll get it done.
Take the machine guns. Make sure you don't draw attention to yourselves hanging around outside the theater. You keep the choppers hidden until you spot Morello.
And then you light them up. I want it to look like that white suit is covered in roses. You got it?
Sure, boss.
This is it. We're finally doing this.
Keep your head. We gotta get to the theater before the show's over. Tom, you're driving.
We got the word, boys. Morello dies tonight.
Tonight? Shit. Good luck, guys.
I don't know how long theater plays go on for, but it's getting late.
Put your foot down, Tom.
Can't believe after all these years we're finally going after Morello. Not his crew, not his family. Finally putting him in the ground.
We're putting a lot of history to rest.
What happens when he's gone?
We'll be kings.
Nah, I mean, what happens with the Don? You think he'll be all tore up?
I think he'll start wearing a nice white suit. You boys doing all right?
Yeah, just sweating bullets.
You look how I feel.
Nearly there. Let's keep it together. When we see him, go for Morello. No one else.
Once he's down, these guys will panic.
We're actually doing this. He's been up against the boss for what, 10 years?
More. You think that white suit would make him an easier target?
You got a death wish or something? I see him! Let him have it! Go! Go! After him! Chase him down, Tom! The Don will hang us out to dry!
When I get close, shoot for the cars protecting him. Let's get him out of the picture.
You got it! Got cops on us! Bunch of them were staked out around the theater!
Last time they get paid off by Morello. Tomorrow, they're ours.
Come on, Tom, faster! Chase him down, Tom! The Don will hang us out to dry!
When I get close, shoot for the cars protecting him. Let's get him out of the picture.
You got it! Got cops on us! Bunch of them were staked out around the theater!
Last time they get paid off by Morello. Tomorrow, they're ours.
Chase him down, Tom! Or the Don'll hang us out to dry!
When I get close, shoot for the cars protecting it. Let's get them out of the picture.
You got it! Got cops on us! Bunch of them were staked out around the theater!
Last time they get paid off by Morello. Tomorrow, they're ours.
Morello must have been plenty nervous. His guys are out in force. Take him out if you can, but Morello's the prize tonight. You're still an ice-cold wheelman, aren't you? If we lose him, we'll go to ground for months. More, maybe. Don't let him give us the slip. He could be headed anywhere. If we don't catch him and plug him, he might even move out of state for a while. We need to whack him tonight.
city better than anyone. Don't worry. This is gonna be a squeeze.
Morello's gotten himself a good driver, but he doesn't match you, Tom. We work our way through his guys, then we come for him. Come on, Tom, faster!
This is gonna be a squeeze.
Morello's gotten himself a good driver, but he doesn't match you, Tom. Jeez, these guys don't give up! Neither do we. We're taking this all the way. Where's he going? He can't be skipping town with us going bumper to bumper with him.
Well, wherever he's going there in a hurry.
It's the airstrip. He's gonna go through the back. He's got a plane? Of course he's got a goddamn plane. There'll be more guys waiting. Good. We need to clean house. He's gotta die. This guy's gotta die.
Okay, but let's keep us three off your list.
They only just fixed up the airport since the last time. He's got muscle waiting.
I see him.
Oh, shit! God damn it!
Everyone okay?
Yeah, I'm all right. Just a bit of glass in my hair. Nothing a cheap comb can't fix.
Then we go after him on foot. Come on!
Eyes open, eh?
Cover me!
Get up their side! You're finished! Got him! My back! Behind you! Back me up! Behind you! I see him! I'm on him! Get out of there, Tom! That guy's taking some hits! Gonna reload! Tommy, look out! Don't go inbound! Tommy, look out!
Follow me.
More of these guys? They told us to go up around them! Head down, Tommy, some cover!
Set his ass on fire.
Throwing some fire! It's gonna blow! Gotta reload! There! Cover me! He's right on me! We're gonna throw some lead! Let's go! Get him inner shot! Go! I'm on him! Get some extra muscle coming in!
Set his ass on fire.
Get him down! Back me up! You're finished! Tommy, look out! Where the hell is that bastard hiding? Behind you! Get the wind of these guys! They're ripping you apart! Cover!
Next up, Follow me.
He took a hit. Down, boy. Cliff number.
He's onto me!
In there. Tommy, look out! Behind you! We got some other guys attention. Oh, God! Cliff number. I see him.
Got it. Taking cover.
Stay down. Another fun. Stay down, Tom. I'm reloading. Cliff number. Push up. Get him. Guys hear something through the back here? Come on, Tom. Murillo's gotta be close. Into that car! Tommy, up front. You're the best shot out of all of us. Come on! He's getting away!
Get us into the air! We don't have the speed! Pick us up!
It's gonna take off! Shoot out the engines! Are we even making a dent? It's no good! This isn't gonna work! It has to work! He's in a fucking plane! Can it and let me shoot! He's not out of here yet!
let me shoot! He's not out of here yet!
It's gonna take off! Shoot out the engines! Are we even making a dent? It's no good! This isn't gonna work!
It has to work!
He's in a fucking plane!
Can it and let me shoot! He's not out of here yet!
Okay! Now the other! Blow them both! It's gonna take off! Shoot out the engines! Are we even making a dent? It's no good! This isn't gonna work!
It has to work!
He's in a fucking plane!
Can it and let me shoot! He's not out of here yet!
Okay! Now the other! Blow them both!
I'm taking the wheel!
Why?
'Cause I'm the guy that drives. And now we got a plane to catch.
Okay, here's what's happening. We follow it. We see where it lands. We rush in, all guns blazing, and we finish them off. Wow. You drive like this in your old job? Anyway, no way that bird's staying in the sky. That thing's not gonna land, it's gonna crash. It look, aeronautic to you? But thank Christ we got you in the car, Professor.
Morello's not gonna walk away from a plane crash.
That's a maybe, but he ain't dead till we seen him dead. Out of all of us, you two should know that by now. Where's he trying to take it?
Maybe out near the racetrack. More chance of landing it safe outside the city.
Hello, maybe, but it's not gonna be safe.
Wherever he comes down, we'll be there soon after.
Wow. You drive like this in your old job? We don't have time to relax. We gotta be sure he's dead before the cops show. No one's gonna survive that. Hell of a lot of smoke. I can't believe we did this.
I know. Don't seem real.
Stay alert with your guns close. We've come too far to get lazy at the end.
We don't have long. Every cop in the city is gonna be on his way.
Get out, we check the wreckage, we leave. Got it? Sure we do. What's with you today, Tom? Wow. You drive like this in your old job? Jesus Christ. Bastard's dead, he doesn't even know it yet.
He knows it now.
Yeah, pal. That'll do it. Come on. Let's make tracks.
See you on the other side, Marku.